Hi, I'm Danielle, one of the instructors here at Awesome Engineers, and I've been teaching here for a year now, a little over a year, and it's been really fun. My son's been attending for 2 years. I really enjoy teaching, and it's really easy for me to just rock up on my teaching day and give my lesson because it's already pre-prepared for me, and I just maybe read over it the night before. It's been really great for me as an after-school club, but also as a childcare and a job, because once I started working for Awesome Engineers, then my son was able to come for free, and that's a really big benefit to having after-school care and being able to work a couple of hours a week. I've been a nanny in the past, and I trained as a childminder, and I also have my own 2 children who have been at home with me until they went to school, preschool and school. I think part of being a great instructor at Awesome Engineers is having patience, because you've got quite a few children asking you for help at any given time, and also you just really need to enjoy being around kids sort of at school age. So it's great for me as a parent because it really gives me insight into what goes on at school a little bit, because everybody's curious about that as a parent. So you don't really need to have any formal teacher training or any science background, but it's just really great way to make a little extra money, be with your kids, and have really good fun during the week.
So, part of my role each week is to deliver a 5-minute lesson about the STEM concept of each model the child is building. So these lessons are written by me, and they're just a quick PowerPoint that has one page which introduces the STEM concept, and then the second page just explains how that STEM concept relates to the model the child is building. And there's just a few questions to ask the child, and they're all very simple questions that all the children can answer. So as an instructor, you don't have to learn very much about engineering at all. Okay, so anyone could be an instructor. You don't have to have an engineering degree. You don't have to have a teaching qualification. Everything you need is provided for you. You have the kits, you have the instructions, you have the lessons written for you, you have the worksheets. So if you're interested in becoming an instructor, give us a call.